so I'm going to be giving a taste test of Metamucil Xylem Fiber Supplement. This is a 4-in-1 fiber that's supposed to help support appetite control, heart health by lowering cholesterol, healthy blood levels of sugar levels, and digestive health. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and get to it. Now, on the back of it, it says the directions are put 1 to 2 rounded teaspoons into an empty glass. I have my empty glass right here. Mix briskly with 8 ounces or more cool liquid. Drink promptly and enjoy. So here it is, just twisted off the top, and I'm going to go ahead and crack this open really quick. You can just simply peel it back. It looks like it's foil. So it comes in here. And if you're familiar with psyllium fiber, psyllium fiber is actually like large. Metamucil actually has it ground very finely. All right, so it says 1 to 2 rounded, that looks rounded to me, spoons of the fiber. So I'm going to take this and put it inside, just like that. I'm going to do 2. Actually, I'm going to actually start off with 1 because this is a relatively new product, but it says 1 to 2 for me. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in. So this flavor right here is orange, so it's going to be a nice orange flavor, so they say. So I'm going to have the product in there, put 8 ounces of cool water inside of the cup. All right, it says stir. It says stir, mix briskly, and drink promptly. So I mixed it. All right, so I mixed it, and then I'm supposed to drink this promptly. I'm going to tell you what it tastes like. So this is the orange flavor. This is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and take a sip of it and drink it all up. It's not bad. Kind of reminds me of Tang. Goes down very smoothly. There's a little residual left in the cup, so I'm just going to mix a little bit of water in here and get this going right here. So mix that. All right. Try to see if I can get the rest of that. Not bad, actually. It's rather enjoyable. It's not a beverage I'd have in a bar or something like that, but they made it really good. So that's Metamucil Xylem Fiber Supplement. I hope this was helpful. Next time I may try 2 rounded spoons like they recommend right here. It says 1 to 2. I chose to do 1. All right, and there you have it. Metamucil Xylem Fiber 4-in-1 fiber. Thanks a lot for watching.